So it's Tuesday, the 19th of May 2020, and I'm now on to getting ready to install my wall mosaic. Now, as you can see, I've cut them up into bite-sized pieces to use my instant grab tile adhesive, which is Bowles Max Flex Fibre. I'll give you the link of that below. The back of the mosaic has had a toothpaste thin amount of Rewmar's Flexy Fix to adhere onto each tile, which is this mama. People keep asking me and I keep telling them, never mind. So it's all done so that I can use the first pieces. I can adhere the first semicircles. Now these need to be installed first. Now, this is my house. This is me. Hello, me. So, that's the first area. And that's the mosaic, you see. And I've got to make sure it matches up completely with the mosaic up there. It will misalign everything if I don't. But that's the way things are. I'm sure because everything's on mesh, it's very easy to edit and take out pieces. So that's what the work looks like so far. Speak to you soon. Okay, bye. So it's just gone 2:30 on the 19th of May, and it didn't take long to actually complete that section of mosaic. So it's kind of 6.5 feet by 2 feet, and it just continued from the ceiling, which I installed the week before last. So that's what it looks like. I'll give you a decent look there. I'm going to do a YouTube video of it all, the work in progress. The plan is now I'm going to continue this teardrop shape all the way down and undulate up, and probably do the same from the ceiling and undulate along. But I've got to figure out how and what to do about this patterning here on the ceiling to continue it and to continue along here. So there might be a little bit of a clash of patterns forming, or I could do something completely different. Who knows? Watch this space. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it'll be a good plan to do that. It is called Mango Mosaics, of course. So do have a look and subscribe. It's fun and it's free.